We had a very weird experience on the way to the airport today. We actually hit a tree, except that the tree was in the middle of the freeway. We ended up making it to the airport, but the damage to the car is quite significant. Flight from Salt Lake City to Denver on a super tiny plane.
We're on the back row.
Okay, we're on the Air Canada flight to Montreal now. That was another bumpy ride on another small Air Canada plane. We boarded. It's a very full plane, much bigger than the ones we've been on. We made it to Paris. We're just working our way to the trains so that we can get into Paris. We're at Charles de Gaulle. It's 6:30 and we're ready to start our day. We've dropped our bags off and we're now getting the day started right.
We're going to Angelina's for some famous hot chocolate.
This place is world famous and Chanel Coco used to go here every day.
Coco Chanel?
Coco Chanel. I feel extremely underdressed in this place. It's beautiful. I'm sweating and we ordered hot chocolate. This is the famous Mont Blanc pastry. Nancy, what did you think about that meal?
I loved it.
I tell you, you can't drink that hot chocolate and be in a bad mood. I'm a new man. It was great. So now we're walking across the street from Angelina's in the Tuileries Gardens. Is that right?
Jardin de Tuileries.
Ah, there you go. You're like a French girl. We're actually heading over to the metro because we have a walking tour up in Montmartre. We just finished our tour of Montmartre. We started at the Moulin Rouge and we ended up at the Sacré-Cœur. We covered a lot of ground in between. Saw some places where artists worked, Picasso and Renoir. And now we're just gonna walk around to the front. Checked into our Airbnb and let me give you a quick room tour. This is the room. That's the couch and the bed. And this is the bathroom. The toilet placement actually is not very ideal if you have legs. We knew what we were getting into, right?
Yeah. But the most important part is we knew it would be cheap.
And we're not too far from the Louvre.
We're actually in a great location.
Yeah.
So.
Great location, tight fit, inexpensive, in Paris. We learned about a game from a local vlogger here named Jay Swanson called the Space Invader. You download this app and then you go around trying to find these and you get points. Nancy and I have been keeping an eye out for these, and this is just kind of a cool one. We found another Space Invader here. I know that doesn't look like a Space Invader, but it is. So you zoom in there, then you take the picture. Just a fun way to look up the buildings, keep your eyes up, look around. So we're walking around trying to find a crepe place, and we came across the Pompadou, which is one of the most iconic buildings in the city. I've never seen it before. It's quite interesting. Paris about 4 years ago, and we came to this crepe place and we loved it, and the guy is super cool. And we're back here and it's still the same guy. So we got the 2 crepes plus our Orangina for 10 euro. That's like half of what we spent this morning on hot chocolate and pastry. And they were both amazing and both worth the price.